take forever.
It's just so artistic.
Nuts.
Don't crowd him. C for Charlie. Howie, this is yours.
Thank you.
I'm a vegetarian. Not anymore. Not anymore. Everybody's got it. C for Charlie. Get your slips. Don't forget to initialize your slips as well. Don't lose any slips. We'll be back. Mine has a tail. I know, because that's the vegetables you were asking for. Don't ruin it for next year. Congratulations to all of you. Thank you so much for supporting the event. It was a lot of fun. And you can see my fellow Rotarians around here, thank you. Thank everybody for helping out. And we hopefully you all had a good time. And hopefully we're going to see you again next year.
Okay, he's turning, but if the aircraft is inverted, he's doing an outside rolling turn.